great. The energy is flowing, the vibes are going. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Finally, for those of you who have been waiting for a video post my last juice challenge video where I did a fruit and vegetable juice for 6 straight days. I'll link it in the cards and then it'll also be in the description box. But okay, for this video, this is a long-awaited video. I feel like I do get a ton of questions about this specifically from a lot of Black women, and it's something I have struggled with or dealt with in the past, but I've been delivered. Hopefully that'll be some of your realities. I know it's possible. This video is going to be how you can get more plant-based iron in your diet, which will in turn give you more energy. So it's strictly about iron and energy. Here we go. Let's get into it. So probably around 3 to 4 years ago, I dealt with iron deficient anemia, and it is not fun. So for all of my sleepy girls, all of my cold girls, all of my irritable girls, I feel you, I understand it. It is definitely something that I struggled with as well. Also, I felt like my hair was brittle a lot of that time. So with this entire journey, the goal has always been to identify the source and like the root cause of any ailments that I have or present themselves. I do not like to put band-aids on things. The first thing I'm gonna recommend is stinking toe fruit powder. Stinking toe is an excellent source of iron as well as copper. These are beneficial for your brain, for your blood, and a lot of other things. Definitely look that up and do some research. Stinking toe is also high in calcium, vitamins A, and some B vitamins. It has a ton of phytonutrients and antioxidants. It's anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial. It also has prebiotic fiber. That's important for a healthy gut and immune system. It helps your body better absorb the nutrients and the minerals found in the foods that you eat. I am pulling out the Bible, okay? The Bible, African Holistic Health. So on the list of supplements, it says iron, vegetable source, that's the top solution. It also has manganese. It has copper, which is in stinking toe. It has zinc. It has vitamin A, which is in there. So this is what the pods look like, and the powder is found inside of here. It's called stinking toe for a reason. It definitely has a sort of, I want to say, a sour smell to it. It doesn't taste like that. Obviously, it tastes like vanilla. Like I said, it's sweet. I like to sprinkle it on the fruit bowls that I do with granola and plant-based yogurt. I also love to just have it as a snack, and actually, don't judge, but I have my open stinking toe pouch and a spoon because it's great for energy as well. So the reason why it's helpful and beneficial to consume seasonal fruits and plants and foods during any given season is because those foods have the antidote to a lot of the seasonal ailments that we deal with in that particular season. All right, I feel like I pretty much covered everything I wanted to talk about with stinking toe. Highly recommend that you guys try it out, especially if sea moss is not available to you. And another thing, in Jamaica, there are a lot of shops and a lot of people claiming that they're selling authentic sea moss, and in reality, that's not possible. People have been over harvesting, creating so many business around sea moss, and I partly feel to blame because my sea moss videos have done so well and so many people are inquiring about that now, but it's just a trend right now. It's a fad. Consumers, I hope you guys are more mindful. I know I am when I'm purchasing things. We have to vibe with the earth. Over harvesting things is not sustainable. So no, stinking toe is not a direct replacement for sea moss, but it has a lot of the same nutrients, phytonutrients, minerals, and they're both nutrient dense. I also know that some people just do not like the taste of sea moss. They don't like a sea taste, you know, and smell, which sea moss does have, even if you clean it. So if you're one of those people that just doesn't like that smell, that sea smell, then maybe stinking toe, give it a go. Check it out. I get mine from Yaga Lifestyle. Like I said, check the link in the description box. But I hope this was helpful. Please share it with anyone that you think would need this information and would be able to use it. especially during this time when health-wise a lot of things are uncertain and all over the place. Check out Yaga Lifestyle. That's where I get all of my teens. Yaga and then Zentanical. Those are my companies right now. They're Black owned. Please support them. I also will be holding a giveaway because I have extra stinking toe. If you're interested in that giveaway, head on over to my Instagram for details on that. I'll be posting something shortly. Watch my juicing video if you guys haven't already. I juiced for 6 days straight. Sending love to all of you out there watching this. Thank you for continuing to support me, although the consistency of videos is not the same as it used to be. I truly appreciate you guys. I have some incredible things coming out soon. I'm working on my website. I want you guys to see some of the things that I've been working on off of this platform. So stay tuned for that. I'll link things in the description box as they come. I will see you guys in my next video, but I'll see you on Instagram, okay? Have a great rest of your day.